Hello students, so today we are going to solve CET question paper of 2017. So the first question is, the rate constant for a first order reaction is 7 into 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse, full stop. If initial concentration of reactant is 0.080 molar, comma, what is the half-life of a reaction? Four options are given and the correct option for this question is option A, 990 seconds. So given K is given, rate constant, that is equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse. Concentration of reactant at time t is equal to 0, that is initial concentration of reactant is given, that is equal to 0.080 molar, and m to find out, that is equal to T half is equal to question mark. Now, for a first order reaction, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So this is equal to 0.693. Value of K is given to us, that is 7 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is equal to, so when you solve 0.693 divided by 7, you will get 0.099. This 10 to the power minus 4, when it shifted to the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power 4. Now we don't need this 10 to the power 4, so we are going to shift decimal point from left to right by 4 digits. So we'll get answer as 990. Unit will be seconds. Now why unit is seconds? Because unit of K, it is of second inverse. So when that second inverse, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes second. Question number 2. The polymer used in making handles of cookers and frying pans is, 4 options are given. Now for question number 2, correct option is option A, bakelite. Nylon 2, nylon 6. This is used for making threads in bristles for toothbrushes, strings of musical instruments. Next option, that is Orlon. Orlon, it is used in making blankets as artificial wool, and PVC, it is used for making pipes. Now, question number 3. Which halogen has the highest value of negative electron gain enthalpy? For question 3, correct option is answer B, chlorine. So highest negative electron gain enthalpy value, that is for chlorine. So if we carefully observe all these values, so in this case, for chlorine you will find value is minus 349 kilojoule per mole, and therefore correct option is chlorine. Question number 4. What is the actual volume occupied by water molecules present in 20 cm cube of water? So correct option for question 4 is option B, 10 cm cube. So in water, half of the space remains unoccupied. So therefore actual volume occupied, it is equal to half of given volume. So therefore that is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by given volume is 20, and therefore actual volume occupied by water molecules is equal to 10 cubic centimeter. Question number 5. Which of the following coordinate complexes is an exception to EAN rule? Given atomic number, platinum is equal to 78, Fe is equal to 26, Zn is equal to 30, and copper is equal to 29. 4 complexes are given. For question 5, correct answer is option D, that is copper NH3 4 2 plus. So we'll see for each option See, first option is platinum NH364 plus. So atomic number of platinum, it is given 78. So we'll calculate EAN, effective atomic number, by formula Z minus X plus Y. So here Z is atomic number, X is number of electrons lost during formation of metal ion from metal atom, Y, these are the number of electrons donated by ligands. So here atomic number of platinum is given as 78 minus X is, so here during formation of platinum 4 plus ion, 4 electrons they are lost from platinum metal. So therefore value of X is 4 plus each amine donate 2 electrons. Therefore total 6 amine ligands are there. Therefore 6 amine ligands donate 12 electrons. Therefore value of Y is 12. 78 minus 4 is 74 plus 12, so that is equal to 86 electrons. So that means this complex ion is following EAN rule. Now second option is FeCN64 minus. Now for this complex ion, see Z value for Fe is given as 26 minus number of electrons lost during formation of Fe2 plus ion from Fe, it is 2. So therefore X value is 2, and one cyanide ion donate 2 electrons. Here 6 cyanide ions are there, so which donates 12 electrons. So therefore value of Y is 12. So 26 minus 2 is 24 plus 12, so that is equal to 36 electrons. So that means this complex ion is also following EAN rule. Now for option C, if we calculate EAN, so again we can calculate EAN like Z minus X plus Y. Z value for zinc is 30 minus X value is 2. So this is how we have calculated X value, plus each amine donate 2 electrons. So therefore 4 amines donate 8 electrons. Therefore value of Y is 8. 30 minus 2 is 28 plus 8. So that is equal to 36 electrons. So again this complex is following EAN rule. Now for last option, copper NH342 plus, if we calculate EAN value, that will comes out to be 35 electrons. So here this number, it is not equal to atomic number of next rare gas atom, while in other three options this EAN value which comes out to be, that is equal to atomic number of next rare gas atom. This complex CuNH342 plus, it is an exception to EAN rule.